si Ivan Baldoza. As this match is now underway, si Jones ang nag-set. Osabel kaagad. Great take from Aringo. Sa kabila, Butin, over lang. Iba rin yung setter dito as Butin almost getting that block. And that's Saria sending it over. Bello, angat kay Butin. That is it. Soria. Bornel was blocked. Second ball, hindi gumana. Bon pa rin. Back row, hindi gumana. Para kay Baldoza rather. Diskitado. That is good.
Minsan hindi mo alam kung dulo ba or paigsi lang.
Hindi pa rin makapunto si Osabel. Boots. Yes! Lahat ng mga attackers niya pinapagana niya dito.
Yes, sinahanap niya talaga kung sino yung pwede niyang batuhan muna ngayon eh.
So, ito nga yung sinasabi natin na balasan ng tao. Boots! No good. Back set. PJ Cabrera was checked. Budin! Well, at least nakagitna na yung libero eh. It's just a matter of you getting closer.
Yes. Yes, malaking bagay talaga yun na knowing na gumagana yung mga attackers mo at this point early in the game.
Joy Job, bumawi na lang sa Supalpal. Saradong-sarado na, di na-over yung cross-court, pati yung down the line eh. Isa pa raw. Supalpal ang inabot. Importante itong mga pre-season tournament. Para nga naman, ito yung room nyo para mag-experiment or magkamali, so to speak, di ba? Para
sumabak muli.
Kaya ang diskarte ng EAC dito, paulit-ulit tayo as, again, EAC, attack points. Gumagana. Bello, to Diskitado. Tapos nandito ka sa zone 4.
I think he was able to do it kasi ang taas ng talon niya.
Eh.
Kaya hindi na problema sa kanya yung net eh.
Zone 2 to zone 2. Check that in the meantime. Putata ang inabot. Dahil naligo rin ang errors ng NU in their previous game. Naka-ace nga lang. Itong si PJ Cabrera. Pero kay Aringo napunta yung reception. Bello to Aringo. No problem.
No problem.
The Bulldogs right now. Aringo with that powerful serve. But here comes the Generals. Ivan Baldoza finally. Lalo sa practice ginagawa niya. Para palampasin nyo lang kay Itang, di ba? Takat-takan din niya Itang eh. Diskitado back row. Partial unofficial count. 3 attack points already for Diskitado. Ervin Osabel found the back line.
And it's a good sign nga na early on pa lang sa taon na to, nakikita mo na kung alin yung mga pwede. Yun na lang talaga namin, na ipakita lang yung laro namin.
And to your point, umiingay nga yung bench ng EAC dito. For joining us, Jay De La Cruz, Joel Encarnacion, and Ross Fernandez. And that is an almost ace for Joseph Bello. Set up ang NU. Bello to Diskitado. Good idea to send it way off. Sharp serve. Jao set the net won by Leo Aringo. Shaq de Los Santos, diba? Huwag niyong kakalimutan tignan yung bola, diba?
Yes, sundan nyo lang talaga yung bola. Kailangan huwag yung papabayaan.
Jao with the serve. Jones. Soria. Baldoza. Chester Bornel with that great serve. Bello high up. Diskitado rejected. Patuloy ang balasa dito ng mga general. In the meantime, PJ Cabrera almost. Velostrino now on the floor. Back row, Budin. Yes! And you just 2 points away from taking set number 1. Great play. Gumana yung quick na yun.
Masyadong magagawa kundi yung hands mo na lang yung pagagalawin mo for blocking.
Ayan nga lang, binabawi yung Bukaba. Set point ng NU. Nakaka-atake ang EAC. No good for Takulog. Aringo back row. No, set not yet over. Isa pa para kay Takulog. Check yun, check yun.
Konting isot lang, huwag sa sobra. Tutulo sa net.
And Budin just ended everything here in set number 1. Feel good eh, di ba?
Yes, it's a sign na you're really doing something right.
Kung nandito kayo sa venue, makikita nyo yung mga bench players ng EAC nagbimistulang mga cheerleader dito.
At wala talaga masyadong room dapat for errors.
No good for PJ Cabrera. Bello high up. Aringo protecting. Montek maging salamat sa net na service. And that is a touch. Puntos yun para sa EAC. Now you can see the variety of offense.
Yes,
Ito si Choi Jiao yung nakapuntos. Doon sa pang-apat na puntos ng NU. In the meantime, that quick play almost worked. Another try. Saria Cabrera. No! Mukaba is rejected! And Chester Bornell. Perhaps gaining some confidence after rejecting Mukaba. Here comes the Generals. PJ Cabrera. No! Bello. Punta kay Aringo. Putatake. Nabot! Of course, your number one plan is to destroy everything. Bababain yung moral nitong EAC na yun. Pero hindi pa natatapos. That's PJ Cabrera serving. By the way, that point earlier was Frelwin Takulog. Meanwhile, Mukaba, sakto lang sa linya.
Trying to fight for that momentum again.
Good idea. That one worked here in set number 2. Ace pa!
Another ace for EAC.
7 points of NU coming from 4 EAC errors. There's that Mukaba serve. There's that Osabel attack. Buhay pa ang bola. Nice save by Mukaba. But here comes the offense of the Generals Osabel one more time. Tatlo lamang ng EAC dito sa set number 2. Budin gumawa ng paraan. And that ball is still alive. Bello to Budin. No! Another try for the Bulldogs. Bello Budin part 3. Butata inabot. Part 4. Budin finally scores.
Mano hindi, a point is a point.
Lumutak. That could have been out. Nevertheless, here comes the General. Saria to Cabrera, who was rejected.
Confidence booster din siya in a way. Na when you enjoy the sport talaga, minsan lumalabas talaga yung laro mo.
Oo.
Na nawawala yung doubts mo sa sarili mo, yung fears mo. You just...
Then serving 12. Saria. Bigay kay Takulog.
Eh, kasi nga sa pagbabalasa nila, kanina nakakuha ng isang blocker tong setter eh.
Ito yung nananahimik sa opensa, si JT Skitado. Na nakuha nga lang yung service niya. PJ Cabrera, no. Bello, back row, Skitado. Nag-national team muna bago mag-NU. Cabrera! Sa kanto, sa gilid.
Mahirap talaga sa depensahan, lalo na if late mong nabasa yung bola. Talagang tatalsik yan kahit tamaan mo.
Aringo was dug. Isa pa. Ball is still alive. But that one went out. Diba? Will the Generals respond? Yes, indeed. Babawi ang NU. Budin got that one. Finding the right thing to do in certain situations. Ayun.
And there you have it.
Pumalo si Boots, pero hindi nila inasahan, itadrop lang yon. 2-point lead. Make that a 3-point lead once again. Konting diin pa, kumbaga. Over-reception!
Mahalaga na talaga tong last 5 points para sa kanila. And I think, if tuloy lang na relax, nag-e-enjoy, they will get this set. Pinaghandaan natin ang National University at kaya naman natin eh.
Diskitado. That's Choi Jiao the serve. Middle blocker na nag-serve. Si Mukaba nasa harap. And Jiao dug that one. Aringo. Power tip. Nope. Velostrino. Punta kay Diskitado. Uli. Yung gitna. Opensa naman. Takulog rejected. Nakatakot talaga pag nagtabi yung Mukaba tsaka yung Diskitado. Saria. Punta dito kay Bornell. At pupunto si Chester Bornell. That's Chester Bornell with a serve. Velostrino, punta kay Diskitado. Wala. Takulog. That one goes through.
Na kailangan less errors talaga. Kailangan ng panapos. Medyo napapaisip na ngayon ng EAC kung paano sila makakalusot sa NU.
Opensa. Takulog. Denied again. EAC can win this set in this next point. Joseph Bello took advantage of that over-reception.
Another service error.
Second set point for EAC. Sumagot ng service error. Sagutan ng service error. Marvin Romero, pitch serving for EAC. Pero atake ang Enyo Bodin. Yes! Angan para matapos ang set number 2 na to. Over reception! Bello with a serve. Quick play. Nahigop ni Choi Jiao yung bola. Enyo attack to Bodin. And Bodin will get that one.
Ulan na ng palo ngayon ng National University.
Indeed. That one just sailed out on the side of Irvin Osabel. League Collegiate Challenge. First game niya naglaro dito, hindi siya naglaro doon sa unang laban nila against Perpetual Help. Hindi rin siya naglaro nung laban nila against Ateneo. Dito siya nabibigyan ng pagkakataon kontra Enyo at nagpapakitang kila siya. Samantala, play goes on. Aatake ang Enyo Bodin. That you set the tone early on eh.
Yes, nandun kasi yung factor din ng intimidation eh. Parang kadugtong na din nun yung pressure eh. Kasi once na ma-pressure yung kalaban mo, madali na yung buhay para sa'yo eh.
At isa pa, as we saw that strong
Hanggang kung sino lang una makabasa siya, talaga makakalamang.
over-reception. Kasos Tagibolos, naiset doon sa side nila. O nadala doon sa side nila. Here's Osabel, rejected. But play goes on. Back row, Takulog, Tag Bayaringo. Gumawa ng paraan si Buds. Quick play, Chester Bornel na naman. Yun
Sa
nga eh.
middle nila. May panibago na naman silang pinapakita.
Bello, punta dito kay Aringo. Dug by Jones. Walang kumuha ng third ball. Nahabol ni Osabel. Desquitado. Soft serve. Punta sa opposite side. BJ Cabrera with a point. 7-3. EAC will go to Salonga who scored on that point.
Ganda ng timing, ganda ng reach. Pero yung angle mo talaga.
Oh, good idea by Takulog. Aringo! Ngayon ka na matalo eh, di ba? Kaysa matalo ka pagdating ng UAAP or NCAA season.
Yes, kasi dito meron kang actually time to correct it.
Alam pa niya yung mga kakampi niya, mga tendencies nila, ika nga eh. Tulad yan. Sigurado, di na niya bibigyan si Buds ng masyadong malapit sa net.
Yeah, dito.
At lumabas pa yung palo. That's Frelwin Takulog. This match is magic bunot for EAC. Bodin! Nice dig right there. Pumunta nga lang dun sa mga nanonood sa atin dito.
No.
Kaya namang habulin. Makakatakbo naman kayo lahat eh. Great play. Looks like a double contact right there, but there was no call. Play goes on and Bodin can't finish it though. We're tied at 9. Nag-invento ng play. Pero nakalusot yung palo ni Jade Desquitado. Thus, we are tied at 10 here in set number 3. Osabel. Check yun. Strong serve coming from Buds. Good combination play, BJ Cabrera. Good reception by Capultos. Pero lumabas lang yung atake.
I think Enyo really needs to wake up now kasi pumupuntos din ng EAC. Kailangan talaga ingatan nitong EAC yung kanilang lead.
And Aringo with that cross-court hit.
Waiting for that drop ball.
Sigurado pupunin na yan ni Viv Jones. Samantala, nakatake naman. That one is good for Chester Bornel. Jones, nakapag-adjust na, nakukuha na niya yung tamang pwesto para makuha yung mga malalakas sa palo. Naisalba pa yung bola. Bello pumalo! Bring it down to 2. They want to to write a different story here in the third set. Takulog with that strong serve. Budin got that one.
4 points away for EAC.
Quick play. Pasok. Yung
Again.
pull shot ni Tagibolos. Ang nasa loob na libero para sa NU si Jimwell Gapultos. Setup ni Saria. Osabel wala. Velostrino. Punta kay Budin. It was a 5-point lead earlier, about to become history. No way, says Irvin Osabel.
Na hindi naman ganun kalayo yung pinupunta ng bola. Hindi na-recover ni NU. I think they're really not expecting.
They need to respond quickly because they're about to be done here in set number 3. At lumalapit ang NU. EAC up by 2. EAC just needing 2 points. Diskitado, power tip. Naisalba ng EAC. Takulog, wala. Aringo, wala. Jones, Takulog. And Takulog will score!
Titiwala sa skills mo.
3 set points at the disposal of the Generals. Aringo. That one is good. Pag pumalpak sila sa quest na yun, sa challenge na yun, tapos na tong laban na to. Here we go. And EAC will get set number 3. May joint celebration pa yung bench ng EAC. Here we go. It's set number 4. In this NU Bulldogs EAC Generals matchup, Jay De La Cruz, Jewel Encarnacion, and Ross Fernandez bring you this action here para sa EAC. Maintain that rally, maintain that momentum.
Yes.
And looks like they are, yun din, yun talaga ang plano nilang gawin in that matchup. Pero pag nabuo mo yung mga mini quest na yun, nakagawa ng paraan. That is a legal play. Aringo, cross court denied. And Jade Diskitado mistimed that one. Great serve coming from Chester Bornell. Aringo, walang magagawa doon. Butata inabot ni Takulog. Isa pa raw. Butata pa rin. Pero lumabas yung sapal. Puntos doon si Frelwin. Pwedeng game plan ng NU manakot dito, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Pero hindi ka nagpapasintak eh. Nahigop yung reception. O-offense ang NU. Bello, punta kay Budin. Try to dunk it to no avail. Diskitado will set this over. Si Jones ang nag-set. Takulog, got that one. Yung Takulog is starting to become a household name here in this matchup. As is now in double digits pagdating sa puntusan. Sa kabila, Mukaba denied. One more time, Bello ang pumalo. Pag-check pong nasa-set kay Joseph Bello, 2-3 beses na yan. Naku, sobra set. Kaso nakalusot.
Talagang nahihirapan ng National University.
O-offense ang EAC. Osabel, that one sent long. Somebody touched the net. Either way, point for the Generals. Naintindihan ng lahat ng coaches to tsaka ng players, mapababae, mapalalaki, the risk involved with those jump serves, eh, diba? High risk, high reward.
Yes, yes.
Frelwin Takulog na naman. Gapultos, sobra. Ay! Ay, ay. Saria, punta kay Takulog. Doug. Habol si Bello. Bigay kay Aringo. Nando si Jones. Takulog! BJ Cabrera. Bukod sa amin ni Joel Encarnacion, ang maingay pa dito yung mga bench players ng EAC. Mukaba! Ace pa yun kay Aringo. Service ace of NU in this entire match. Make that the third one. Gapultos, Bello, Budin. That one was long, says the line judge. The referee agrees. For sure, yung mga EAC fans na nanonood sa Bola.tv, they're liking what they're seeing right now as Budin scores. Pero, oh, almost. Choi Jiao is rejected by Osabel. Saria, papunta. Oh, great block! Back set. Di gumana. Bornel was check. Putin. Kagulo talaga sa transition. Bornel!
Dating kagad dun sa second ball yung o-offensa ka na.
At yun nga hindi pa makuha dito ng Enyo, especially that previous point. Disquitado almost. Oh, that will work. Saria to Bornel, who's just taking over right now.
Hindi masabayan ngayon ng blockers ng NU.
Velostrino is able to control that one. Ibig sabihin yan, balik sa loob si Mukaba. Cabrera. He was checked. Disquitado, gagawa ng paraan. Oh, that is in! We are tied at 20. Saria. Bigay kay Takulog. Nahabol. Pero punto siya para kay Frelwin Takulog. Much closer to 25 right now. And you will go for the tie. Disquitado, Doug. BJ Cabrera, no. Back set, Disquitado! Takulog na naman. There's the coverage. Maringa Stern. Yes! Handa daw sa reception si Frelwin. That is an ace! Yan nakuha yung lamang kanina. Di nakaset up ang opensa. Mukaba! Siya ang kumuha. Takulog was Doug. Sino kumuha ng second ball? Makaka-opensa ng EAC. Quick play! Buhay pa! Opensa ng NU. They go to Mukaba. No! Set ni Jade. Napunta kay Aringo. Rejected! Jay Cabrera to extend this set. Or to finish. Bonel! What a way to close this match. Jewel Encarnacion.